Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of this Excel series. I'm Norma Omagina, and today I'll be showing you how to split the values in a cell by a delimiter. So here we have a list of names and a list of emails. For the names, we have the first name, middle name, and the last name all in one cell. So let's say we want to split those values. We want to have the first name in one column, the middle name in another, and the last name in the third column. To do that, we will have to split the value in the one cell by the delimiter. In this case, the space that separates the three names. Good. So let me show you how that's done. First, we select all of the values, and then on the data tab, we click the split text to columns function, and that will bring a pop-up. And in this pop-up box, we can see a preview of our data, and then we see options of delimiters to split the value by. We see the space option and we can select that. So when we do that, we can see an example of how our values are going to be split, and we can see that it splits it into first name, middle name, and last name. So this is going to put all of these values in three different columns on our Excel sheet. So we'll just go ahead and click apply. And when we do that, now we have the name split, and we can rename the column to the appropriate value: first name, middle name, last name. And there we have it. So for a second example, because there's some cases where we have to explicitly tell Excel what value we want to split by. So let's look at that with the emails. Typically, emails will have the first part, which is the username, and then the domain. The domain is everything that comes after the @ sign. At gmail.com, at yahoo.com, at ng.com. You get the gist. So let's try to split this email into the username and the domain in two separate columns. So just like we did for the names, we would select everything in that column and click on the split text to column button. So we have the field here that says custom value, and here we can type in the value we want to split the text by. In this case, that's the @. So as you can see in the preview, when we do that, it takes away the @ from the values, because it's not going to be on one side or the other. It's just going to split whatever comes before the @ and after the @ sign, and the @ is completely gone from our values. And when we click apply, now we have the username portion of the email and the domain portion of the email. And that's it. That is how we can split text values by a specific delimiter in Excel. Now you can do so much more with Excel. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next class.